In this video, we're going to show you how to record data and then review data after recording. When setting up the software, if you selected this option and unchecked the box automatic recording when start, once you're connected, you'll have to click start recording. During this process, anything that happens will be recorded and can be reviewed later. So we're going to start the equipment and record some data. Okay, now we're going to stop the recording. And now that the recording is stopped, you'll be able to go back anytime and go back to open the record file. All the recordings are placed in folders at the date that they're made. Today is 2018, October the 11th. We'll open up this file, and it's an NDVR file. We'll select it, open it, and now it's going to play the file that we just recorded. Okay, so now that the screen is loaded, we're going to press play on the replay tab. Now we'll be able to see what the outdoor unit is doing. Some of the outdoor unit installation data does not appear during a replay. You can see the outdoor unit cycle here on your screen. Shows you the indoor unit data, what units are being called for thermal on and what units are on or off. The red light means that the power or the operation on is enabled. You can see set temperature, room temperature. You have the indoor unit installation. You can see the code that have been entered in all the indoor equipment. And the MCU data, which solenoid valve is enabled. During this process of reviewing data, you'll be able to troubleshoot and give back information to your customer or to yourself. Thank you.